I'm not giving you any sum for homework. All the sums I have solved and shown you. So do all the sums in your notebook very properly and keep your notebooks ready. If by chance school opens in January and we meet in January, then don't tell me, sir, my book is incomplete or anything. I won't listen to you at all. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Principal you have to find out. Then rate of interest is 5%. Time also you have to find out. Time also you have to find out. Interest is given to you 6,000 rupees and amount is given to you 8,000 rupees. Okay. So whenever you are given amount, start with amount first. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Amount is given 18,000. Principal is not given. Interest is given 6,000. So 6,000 we bring over here. So 18,000 minus 6,000 is equal to principal. Therefore, principal is equal to 12,000 rupees. So first step, we have found out principal. Principal is equal to 12,000 rupees. Now you have to find out number of years. So T is equal to, I have given you the formula for T, I into 100 upon P into R. I is given to you how much? 6,000 multiplied by 100 upon P, how much you found out? Principal 12,000 multiplied by rate of interest is 5. So 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros gone. Okay. 5 ones are 5 12s are 60 and 1 0. 12 ones are 12. 12 10s are 120. So number of years is equal to how many years? 10 years. So my answer will be, my answer is principal is equal to, I got 12,000 rupees and number of years, that is term, number of years, term I got it as 10 years. Okay. You have to solve the full sum very properly, right? So this is the way you solve your full sum. Now we come to sum number 5. So sum number 5, that is the last sum in your textbook now in this chapter. So we finish off with this chapter, banks and simple interest. I hope you have understood the chapter very nicely. If any problems, you can ask me in the live class, whatever you have, or you can ask your respective teachers also in the live class. Whoever are in the other divisions, my 8A students, can ask me. So fifth sum, again now principal is not given. Principal is equal to question mark, rate of interest is equal to 2.5%. 2.5 means 2.5%. Time is given to you. Time is 5 years. Interest is given to you. Interest is 2,400 and you have to also find the amount. Okay, you have to also find the amount. So last sum this is now. So first you have to find out principal. So I have given you the formula for principal. Principal is equal to I into I into 100 upon R into T. I is given how much? 2,400 multiplied by 100 upon rate 2.5% multiplied by term is how much? 5 years. We remove this decimal point out. So 2,400 multiplied by 100 multiply by, remove the decimal point, so you put 10 over here, and down what you get now, 25 multiplied by 5, okay, so 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now 2400 multiplied by 4, 2400 multiplied by 4, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 fours are 16, 4 twos are 8, 9600 multiplied by 2. So multiply by 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, 19,200. So your principal is 19,200, okay? 19,200 rupees, and then you have to find out amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Principal you got how much? 19,200 plus interest is given how much? 2,400. So 19,200 plus 2,400. How much you will get over here? 2 plus 4 6, 9 10 11 12, 22,600. So total amount is 22,600 rupees. So answer, what we found out, principal is equal to 19,200 rupees, and amount is equal to 22,600 rupees. Okay, so with this we finish off with the chapter banks and simple interest. So we finish off with the full chapter. I have done all the sums. I told you only practice set 40, sum number 4 is omitted, okay? All remaining sums are there. So all the sums I have done it very nicely. I hope you must have understood it very nicely, okay? So thank you very much.